Bought these, both of them, 60 bucks on Marketplace. Dude said they didn't run. It's little metal things on the front of the strings here that tied them off. So you couldn't even pull them. Like you get like a half pull out of each one. And they didn't start. And this one was completely out of gas. So that didn't help that. So now that they both run, they're self-propelled. Everything works. This one's got an electric start on it too. Got a starter, hookup for a battery. Haven't tested if those work yet. It probably will. It looks like a ground. We'll test it. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit too. Just trying to make it look good. It's easier to work on. It was covered in grease and stuff. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do, pull the Parks plugs, clean them up, because we're working on a low budget here. $0.00. $0.00 budget. It's gonna be as cheap as possible. $0. Since they already run, got super lucky. Make them run better and longer. Sell them. Use the money. Buy something else. Make it run. For, well, probably not $0, because I don't know. We're gonna have to figure all that out later. First thing I'm gonna do, pull the Parks plug. That's not the right way. Don't do that. I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit, make it look good. See, actually, that's not bad at all. That's actually really good. I'm still gonna spray it though. Get a little wire brush action. Why not? See if it works. I'm gonna do it to both of them. See what that does for them. See if I break anything. Probably not. Hopefully not. But I don't know. Maybe. Then I'm gonna clean them up better, and then reroute. Oh yeah. So the problem with this one, not only was it out of gas, but this thing right here. When you pull that handle back, this doesn't go far enough forward. That thing right there, and what it does is cut spark for whatever reason. So it just doesn't have spark until you pull that forward. It does have spark and it runs. So I'm gonna clean this up, clean both of them up. Spark plugs first, then get back to it. Something else. All right, so got this one cleaned up a little bit. I know you're not supposed to hit spark plugs with a wire brush, but I don't care. So that's what we're doing here. That's the type of business we're running right now. Look at them meat paws. Golly. Yeah, so we're minimal. Oh, that's probably fine, right? Yeah, sure. So I just hit them with brake clean. A little bit of this. This one's really soft. Definitely don't want to use a wire wheel. Might do something bad. I don't even know, honestly. Yeah. Tighten this one down. Do the other one. And then do something else. Probably. I don't really even know. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So the difference between, well, me personally, the reason why I'm saying it and not doing it is because I don't care at all. And please stop cranking down spark plugs. They don't need to be that tight. You're gonna do more damage than good. Cranking down a spark plug, there's no reason for it at all. Like this one. Oh, okay, that wasn't really that bad. Usually, see some of these and they are just ranked on there. How about this one? No, it's not bad. So this one's also not even that bad. A little bit of, well, let's see, what is that? What is that right there? Oh, that's just gas. Yeah, I tried to start it a couple times, and then I remembered about the spark thing, the little handle, that handle right there. You push that down. What it does is give it a spark. That's all it does. Cuts the stator off. Oh, nuts. So, clean this one up a little bit. Hit it with a little, look at that. A little, then it'll be good to go back in, because why not? Don't do this also. Yeah, don't ever hit these with any type of wire or anything. Just buy a new one. I mean, they're like, what, $5 for new Parks plugs? Just buy them. Don't do this. But I'm gonna do it because, like I said, $0 budget. We're going in here $0. $0 investment. I'm gonna be rich. Millionaire. Not really. Well, maybe. That'd be nice. I'm gonna clean it up. Put it back in. Not crank it down. Just snug. A little bit snug. And then I'm gonna reroute that thing. Alright, check it out. So all done with this one. I can already tell you I'm not good at editing because I've never done it before. But these are the same exact spark plug, which means this is probably also a Briggs & Stratton engine. Like a sister company or Chinese knockoff or something. But the gap on this one is a little bit farther open. Like a couple thousandths than that one was. Which is nothing. That's fine. Also put in the spark plug tester, thanks to TikTok Shop. Shout out. Tested fine. Spark plugs don't really ever go bad. They just get weaker. Yeah, also, you'll be hard to do. Yeah, these get weaker and weaker. The gap opens up. They get worn down, you know, that type of stuff. And you get an old push mower or mower of any kind. So, or anything old in general. Like everything I own. Everything I own is old. Just do general maintenance. Just makes life easier. This is what I'm doing with this one. But I'm not buying a new spark plug. Because I'm not going to use any money. I'm going to do it for free. I'm going to get freaking rich off of it. But that's the next problem. I don't want to use... What's going on? Nothing. I don't want to use any outside money. But even if I get like $100 for both of these, or separately each, not gonna be able to do a lot with that right now. I don't know, really. Let's look at this first. Let's see what we got. Enough. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, hey. So, this is gonna be in there. But I don't want to bend that. That could mess something up. So let's see. Can I just take that right out of there? Is this one of these things that'll pop right on? Actually, I think it will. Oh my goodness, it will. But then you got to put it back over. But it doesn't matter because it's got to go through there anyways. Where does this go? This can just, oh, maybe not though. So, I could just do it the easy way and just like see what that does. I don't know if it's gonna do anything at all. No, it just moved back. Well, let's find out. It's always a good idea to start a push mower in the garage, right? Oh, did I even put the spark plug back in? Yep, and the wires on it, sure. Oh, but it's getting stuck again. Let's see. No. But if I had this, it need to be farther down. No, that does nothing good. Farther up, and it does. Oh, that pulls that there. See what I mean, though? Okay, so as it turns out, this didn't do anything at all. This is pushed down. Oh, I can't do this with one hand. Let's see. I can do it like this. Sure, so when this is, the handle up here is what I'm pushing. When this is pushed down, and this is out. See how that moves there? This needs to be like 1/8 of an inch farther forward. But I don't know what's gonna give it that 1/8 of an inch that it needs. So, well, for sure the cable's stretched. But how do I rig it so that it still works, but, you know, works, basically, and won't break? I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, so what I did is pulled this all the way through. It usually sits like that. Pulled it all the way through. You can see down here. Zoom in the way it is regularly. All right. See how far it pulls that little thing in. See it moving down there? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just right here. Right? See that little thing down there? How much farther it moves? And it makes it start. Mow in the garage. But now I need to figure out a way to make it stay there. Can you do it a bunch of times? No, it's not going to stay there by itself. Actually, maybe, or I'll just put a little zip tie on it, maybe. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Figure out a better way to make it stay there. And that's that problem fixed. For $0. $0. Yeah, and they both run now. Good. Okay, I did it. Look at that. Little zip tie in there. Let's make sure it's not going too far. You know, I don't want to break anything since we're still on a budget. That looks like it's going to work. So I'm just snip that off. You can't even tell. God, I'm good. And then I'll show you here. For now, cracks right off. Check that out. Mow in the garage. Yeah. So this one, they both run now. So I'm gonna clean them up, make them look pretty. Take videos, take pictures, post them, sell them. Found that little thing I was talking about. So this was actually on the pull cord, like a fishing weight, kinda, like that on there. So like stopped it from going in. Don't know why you would ever do that. Yeah, doesn't make any sense, but that's I believe the gist of why neither of these ran. Well, this one was obviously that. The pull cord there, or not the pull cord, I don't know what it's called.